I've talked about first two basic thing in crochet in my last video. In this video, I'll be teaching you the basic stitches. Doing the slip knot. Doing the chain. If you are wondering, yes, you do need chain and slip knot for every stitch I'm going to be showing. Over here, I am doing 10 chain, but you can do as much as you'd like. Then add extra 1 chain. One, skip the first chain and then insert your hook into the second chain. Two, yarn over and pull through only the first loop. 3. Now yarn over, pull through both the 2 loops, and there you have it, a single crochet. 4. Now instead of inserting into the second chain, like how we did it before, do it normally and insert it into the next chain. 5. Now just repeat until you get to the last chain. Six, now from here, make 1 chain on the working yarn. Now turn it over like this. And now look at these chains that I'm showing. These are the chain we're going to be working the next set of single crochet with. And now you can repeat this row by row to get a whole set of single crochet. I have done 10 chains, it's called foundation stitches. Add extra 1 chain. One, yarn over the working yarn and insert your hook into the chain after skipping the first chain. Now yarn over and pull through only 1 loop. And again, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now repeat this for each chain. Now over here, make 1 extra chain on the working yarn and twist, and continue doing half double crochet. And there's your half double crochet. I did 10 chains for this too. 1 add extra 2 chains. For this, do the same thing we did for single crochet and half double crochet, except for the fact we are going to skip 2 chains and work with the 3rd chain. Pull only through 2 loops. And then again, pull through. Repeat the double crochet for each chain. When we get to the end of the chain, do 2 chains on the working chain and twist and continue doing double crochet. I have done 10 chains over here too. For treble crochet, add 3 extra chains. Yarn over in 2 times. Yarn over, and then skip 3 chains and insert into it. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. Yarn over and pull through the leftover 2 loops. And this is a treble crochet. Now just repeat. Repeat. Now over here, once you finish a row of chains, do 3 chains on the working yarn and twist and do the triple crochet. And done.